discuss in front of you HPE curriculum. HPE stand for Health and Physical Education. As per CBSE guideline 21 March 2018, the board has decided to maintain health and physical education for students for classes 9 to 12 with a primary aim to ensure holistic development of the children, to create well-balanced individual of all walks of life. This program have been made compulsory for all affiliated school of CBSE. So, as per CBSE guideline, this is also a very important subject in your curriculum. So, today I am going to share with you what is the syllabus of this subject, HPE subject. So, as per CBSE guideline, we are going to choose any one game. Any one game means either you can choose athletics, you can choose swimming, you can choose adventure sports, you can choose any team game, football, volleyball, basketball, kho-kho, kabaddi, any game. You can choose individual game, table tennis, badminton, chess, carom. These all are individual game. So you can choose any one game. So this is strand 1. So according to strand 1, you have to choose any one game. Either athletics, swimming, either TT badminton, chess, carom, either any team game, football, volleyball, kho-kho, kabaddi, either adventure sports, any one. In strand 1, you have to choose any one game. So, if you choose, for example, athletics. So, if you choose athletics, then you must know about track events, field events. It's okay कि you are going to participate in 100 meter or 200 meter, but you must aware of field event and track events. You must aware of what is the meaning of field event. Means throwing and jumping comes in a field event and running comes in a track event. The definition of track, you must aware of measurement of track, you must aware of standard track. These such things you must aware of. So it means if we choose any game, then in that game we must know the glossary of the particular game terms, all the terms of that particular games. We can aware of rules and regulation of that particular game, and we must know how to play of that particular game. So in strand 1, we have to understand thoroughly one game, either adventure sports, either team sports, either individual sports, anything, but you must know about that game. So I think it is clear for you, strand 1. In my next video, I am going to tell you about strand 2, strand 3 and strand 4. And in our school, we are going to follow this book. आपको ये बुक प्रॉपरली नहीं दिख रही होगी. सो हेरबॉर का जो बुक है वो हमने आपके लिए चूज किया है. इन दिस बुक each and everything is there. In this book, one certificate is there which is really very important for us, because this certificate we have to send in the CBSE. So then only each and every activity we are going to record. So you have to purchase this book, 9 to 12th class. You have to purchase this book and maintain this book time to time. Your physical education teacher guide you how to maintain this book. And in my next video, I will share strand 2, strand 3 and strand 4. According to this, the main emphasis is stay healthy, stay happy. physical education is really very important in our life. So till then, bye bye. Stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.